Sure.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi, my name is Akshay Kapoor. I am from New Jersey, US. I'm hosting a show for Alpha Channel, and with me I have Amarjeet Singh Bhogal from Canada. Welcome, Amarjeet ji. How are you?
Hello, welcome, Akshay Kapoorji. So nice of you to bring me on your TV show, and I'm very thankful to the people of Alpha Channel who is going to watch our show, and wish you all the best in 2021. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. And I wish, you know, 2021, coming into 2021, the main thing has always been, COVID, right?
Oh yeah,
Um, how are situations in Canada?
uh,
Is it
Canada in the
improving?
situation.
How is it?
Situation is really bad. Actually, people are now following the COVID's rules and regulations. They are going without mask, and the people, they don't keep their stores closed, their bars are open. So a lot of gatherings are around. So like around 700, 800 cases are coming every single day. So it's really bad here. But
Wow.
the government is trying to control it, and they started making a new regulations, and if they found more than 10 people at any place, they are fining them like at least $1,000 minimum fine. So now
Wow.
people, they start taking care of that. So that's the
I
situation.
think the whole situation. I think the whole situation is also. I think people. It's been almost now 10 months, and people have been stuck in their houses. Would you believe, Amarjeet ji? I made my last trip to Australia, and I came back 14th of March. And I used to be traveling 150, 160 days in a year for last 10 years. I
Yeah.
think it's also that people are sort of getting fed up of staying at home. What do you think?
Yeah, that's same situation here also. The everyone is getting fed up. Like a lot of people, they lost their jobs also, and the kids are staying home. Especially, it's very bad for the kids also, because they can't. You don't want to take your kids somewhere to have this disease. So, like a lot of people, they're staying home, less work to do. They have a financial problems, and uh, another work crisis also, and they have the mortgage to do, grocery to buy. So a lot of things are on the every individual person. So that's like create a person's very bad situation. Like he's trying to think. So see how the,
I think you brought up a very interesting point about kids. I do believe that the kids, like I have a 10-year-old and a 15-year-old, and it is dying, right? But find in the room in the house with them
yeah.
anything keeping themselves busy.
No, what I think, actually, the kids like mostly these days throughout the world, they're doing the online classes, and the teaching that get involved also, and there's some, they should some games with the kids also, carom games, some cards games, or some cooking stuff. That's a better way to interact with your kids. So that's what I think. Like it should be a good time to have a good time with the family also.
Yeah, no, that's I there are board games which were lying are now in use. So this is very good um, on from the um, and Amarjit ji, what do you think about these Kisan protests in India? Like, if it wasn't enough, now more things to sort of get us through trouble, right? I think
I think
and yeah, about
I lost your voice now. Your voice and like what we can do can end up the here. So we have.